Hey everyone! Today is the second day of Eid, and I'm taking you on a walk through my beautiful village in India. Just look at this view. Me and my friend are heading out to explore some hidden spots. The weather is perfect and the vibes are so peaceful. Check out these lush green paddy fields. Farming is the heart of our village life. It's so refreshing to get away from the city noise and just breathe in this fresh air. The way the sun hits the crops is just stunning. If you're enjoying these village vibes, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more. It's a simple life here, but there's so much beauty in every corner. India truly has some of the most amazing landscapes. Stay tuned as we continue our journey. See you in the next one. Bye.